Hey guys, it's me, Cameron, and I am the creator of the Red Angry Bird one, and I have some great news. Red and I have been on this YouTube account for 1 year now. Red has made some awesome videos, and it's his year anniversary. He's really happy. He's going to be annoying 16 different people in one video. They're going to be inanimate objects, stupid characters, and just awesome kills. Let's see, Red. Hello, everybody. Okay, bring out number 1. You're right behind him. Bum, bum, ba-da. A freaking pillow! You're kidding me! So fat, can't move. You're kidding me, dude. Okay. Caca! Ow! That really hurt. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Blah! We are having technical difficulties. Here, we are having technical difficulties with the movie. So you will have something better. We will show you something that you will want to see for the anniversary. But for now, we're having technical difficulties. Okay, well, I guess we'll do number 2. Hey! Are you a cow? No, it was supposed to be a pig, but I was painted bad, and it was supposed to be pink paint, but it was clear paint. That's why I always am supposed to read a label. Oh, God. Joys of being me. Okay, just gonna end it quickly. Why so serious? I don't know. I don't know why I'm so serious. Oh, God. I guess I now know what you mean by why so serious. Bleeding to death. Another murder has been committed. Dun, 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 dun. Now, technical difficulties. We'll be back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 2 and 1,000, 2 and 2 1,000, 2 and 3 1,000, 2 and 4 1,000, 2 and 5 1,000, 2 and 6 1,000. Okay, you know what? We'll entertain you guys. Red's not a cruel person. Yes, I am. Look what I did to Clayface. Oh. Okay. Batman. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'll be right back, okay? But for now, I'll give you something you want. Okay? I think you'll like it. So, I'll be right back. Nah. You'll have to wait a couple minutes. Working on a comic book. Circular Productions presents War Kid Blood Edition. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll be right back. This is for the sake of entertainment. I can't take it anymore! Scooby, you're number 3. Oh, what? I'm number 3? Wait, isn't number 3 diarrhea? I don't know. Number 3 is your face! Ugh, get out of my face! Okay, who's number 4? Oh, dear God, no. Dear God, no. Dude, get him out of here. Mr. Sock. Mr. Sock. Yes, sir. You're a Mr. Lawyer. Okay, Mr. Bodyguard, get rid of him. Yes, sir. Okay, he won't be our number 3, our number 4. This thing will be our number 4. Oh, he's so adorable. No. It ended. Thank God. Okay. We'll kill you, Mr. Chipmunk. What's your name? I'm Chip. Okay, a long time ago, May 7th, 2012, there was this video called Chipmunks After Potato Chips, where we first met him. I don't know where Potato Chips is, though. I don't know where he is, though. I'm missing that guy. Okay, so what's gonna happen is you're gonna die, okay? Okay! How am I gonna die? Well, there's this snake thing that's gonna electrocute you. Ha ha ha. To be continued.